This is the first roof rack I've ever put on.
I can add it to your resume.
Yeah. Roof rack installation.
On adventure vans.
So here, this is Francesca the van. My name's Brooke. I just bought her like 2 months ago, and the goal is to make it an adventure van. I'm trying to do it all by myself and it's going slowly. I am just putting in floor, siding, insulating everything, and then I'm gonna put a bed and a tiny sink. Just take the van and go everywhere, travel. It's gonna be a lot of fun. They're good, they're exactly what I wanted. The brackets are just... So the issue is that the brackets aren't tall enough.
Oh.
So that when that thing's up there...
I see. I see the dilemma.
Yeah.
Okay, so the bracket will bolt on. Everything's fine with that.
Yeah.
Need a bushing that'll raise it up higher.
Oh, that's way easy.
Yeah?
Yeah.
He just got to get it in his mind, and then he can go build it.
Perfect. That's what I need to hear. I need more people like that.
So where are you touring to first?
I mean, that's the real question. When am I getting done first? That's what we really need to decide. Because there's just been problems after problems after problems.
Hasn't been easy, huh?
No.
You have the vision, now you know what to
Yeah.
do.
It's gonna be simple. All we gotta do is cut some little blocks and space it up. So she can go live out her dreams as a hippie. 3 inches long.
3.
We'll work on it now.
The super bike. What is that thing?
It's a mixture between a BMX bike and a pit bike.
Oh, there you go.
Let's build one.
Test it.
Make sure it's all good.
Test the theory.
We'll drill them and put bolts down through them and bolt that to that. And then I think we'll set that
Weld it on.
right on top and just
Yeah.
weld it. We'll paint it. It'll be beautiful. So you're just going touring?
I think I want to do like a whole trip through the south. You know,
That'd be cool.
get away from the snow here. So maybe like Georgia, Alabama, Florida.
That'd be pretty cool.
Yeah.
All right, now we can see if this actually fits.
Whoa, he almost died.
Could have.
But
I didn't.
That shot's horrible.
It's slick.
Don't
Okay, hold
die.
that straight. And then she can look at it from behind and see if that's high enough off.
Oh yeah, that's perfect.
That'll work?
Yeah.
Perfect.
I can pick up both.
You're the pickup guy, Dar.
Yes, pickup man.
Dropped another one back this way.
So the rack, like the basket that I have,
Uh-huh.
is 80 inches.
Do you want it more to the front, more to the back?
So I think I'm wanting it more to the front.
Okay. So we want to go, you tell me where your 80 inches will start.
Okay.
So like right at the front of this
Yeah,
door maybe?
Yeah.
If it's right there, you're going to be able to stand on that step to get
And
stuff.
get
We'll get crazy and drill holes in the van.
Drill hole in the van.
Last one's cut. You got to set it where it's
Give her-
bring her in?
Sure. I'm so excited.
That'll work.
What year is it?
2012.
2012.
The guy I bought it from was a Chinese guy that did tours. So he'd go pick up Chinese people from the airport and do tours.
Gotcha.
And it was in like perfect condition. So I'm trying to buy it from him, and he's like, "Well, what are you thinking? Like, you're gonna start a business?" And I was like, "Actually, no, I'm gonna rip everything out." He said,
All the shelves are coming out. It's,
he said
You're
the
gonna live in
AC
here."
works perfect. All the seats are in great condition. I was like, "Okay, good." I don't really care about any of that.
How does it run?
Yeah.
I swear I have a ladder somewhere in here.
Where did I see that last?
By me. Put it up.
Where it was supposed to be.
Yeah, out of the way. I'm tripping over it.
Well, I wouldn't want anybody else drilling holes in the van, so.
What's that going to do to the door?
We're gonna have to put round-headed bolts in it
Bolts in
for
it.
sure. Don't miss.
Perfect.
Never drilled holes in these before. This is a first for everything. Don't turn them back now.
All right, let's do it.
it. We'll pull this back off and seal it. Yeah, I just want to make sure before I drill a whole bunch of holes that
Won't quite work.
it's easier to fix 2 holes than it is 8. Seems to.
Yeah.
Okay, there's one. You look happy.
Oh, it's looking so good. I'm so excited. No, it just
So you don't have one place you're really headed? You
so.
want to see more than anything else?
The first thing I really want to see is New Orleans.
Oh, really?
New Orleans?
Also, probably second, I want to go to Mount Rushmore.
I'd like to go see that.
Propane
So how
shop.
long is this adventure gonna last?
I think I'm gonna go like 3 or 4 weeks at a time and come back to home base, clean the van, I don't know, maybe shower.
Shower would probably be a good idea. We'll paint that so it doesn't rust with some high heat. That's the only thing my kids haven't used.
On a bike
Yeah.
project.
Oh yeah. Or Matchbox cars most of the time.
Right.
Okay, so 2, 4. Where are the other ones? I think I may be getting Alzheimer's.
Well, you hit that big 4.
Yeah, I'm getting old.
You're downhill now, brother.
I'm old for sure. Oh, they're on the back of the van still. Right where we left them. Hello. Okay.
So a rescue mission, huh?
Yeah, he's stuck right up the road.
Well, we got a call, and it's sunny, a little chilly out here. It did snow last night, and there's a lot of mud.
Lots of mud.
That's why we got the call.
So there's a guy that's giving Landon a winch and a bumper for his truck. He was coming by, but he missed our house, and he pulled off the road, and apparently got himself stuck. But we're gonna go unstuck it. He drove around their shop.
Oh, he's super stuck.
Oh, it's slick.
Yeah, this stuff is nasty right now.
We're gonna have to turn the hubs in.
Yeah, you're sliding right now.
Well, I went around this corner and this great big guy told me to stop. And then when I stopped, I never got going again. You want a strap or you got one?
We got some Yankum ropes.
The only place I found,
It's on the A-arm?
well, no, I found back up in here.
All right, I'll put it around that. There's nowhere to pull this thing from.
That was good.
I'll just turn around and we'll go that way.
Okay.
Tight tolerances there. All right. Good enough. All right, you ready?
Yeah. Got the emergency brake on, I'm in reverse.
Okay, we made it. We made it. How's the van life?
I've only had it 2 weeks and yeah, I wouldn't do it again, but I'm too old to care now. It's too late.
That's hilarious. We're putting a rack on a van right now today.
Yep.
Really?
For a girl that's going touring. Well, you want to come down and shop?
Yeah, I do. I got a winch for you. Oh, sweet.
That was some mud. Plant.
Clean it off. I didn't even get your name.
Ron,
I'm Paul.
Paul, I
Nice
seen
to
you.
meet you.
I seen her running around the shop too.
Oh yeah, she's everywhere down here.
And a little boy sweeping.
Oh yeah, he's around somewhere. I got 2 older ones tearing the world up.
That's why you're getting a winch, because you're a good guy.
Sweet, that'll be cool on his old truck.
That's what I figured. It's off a Ford, probably a 450. It was an old fire truck.
Yep. So
That's
the motor
bolts
just
and
needs
parts.
rewound.
Well, I don't know. But I'm not a mechanic. I'm not even a good mud driver.
We'll set him over here.
how I decided to give it to you when I seen you hauling that Suburban.
Land,
Yeah.
come here.
Come check this out.
Check this thing out.
Got the old worm drive winch. They're awesome.
I put it in there about 5 o'clock this morning.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Here?
Yeah, let's set it right there for now. You may have to go pack it upstairs or something. That's awesome. It is. How many pound is that thing?
8,000.
Oh yeah, that'll drag him out of a tight spot.
Just don't go down in that parking lot down there.
You better come in and check the place out. This is the project of the day. Doing the same thing you are.
No way.
Cruising the country.
What?
For a
Can I
drive.
go?
Yeah,
Well, I
well,
don't know if I need to drive. I'll
Well,
just
just
go
don't
take
go
a
in the
look.
mud.
No way.
Your van could be this. Almost.
My van could not be this.
Is this
This
cool?
is the coolest thing.
Here's a sink. Got a water tank down here.
This is amazing.
You can come in.
Thank you so much. Are these lights?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Oh, pop out shade, huh?
What?
That's
No
awesome.
way.
Uses gasoline to heat the water heater. How cool is that?
That's the craziest.
You can't get-
How long have you been living in it?
2 weeks?
That's really cool. Have you liked it so far?
No. Okay, I'll let you guys go to work.
Dude, I'll go finish your van. Thank you
There you-
very much.
Thank you.
Nice to meet
It was
you.
fun.
Always is. So that thing just slides right up into there. Okay. Then we just have to measure how much is sticking out each end. We'll put the end caps on it.
I'm so happy. And that clearance is perfect.
Yep. Okay, we'll do the rest of them now. One down. That's the end of your carrier right there. So make a little mark right there.
How is it?
It's
Looking
good.
great.
I'm so excited.
You're gonna be a hippie before you know it.
I'm already there.
Yep.
Didn't be it.
So the real question is Conor McGregor gonna win tonight?
Yeah,
I think he is.
I think he will. I feel like he's grown up a lot too.
I think so.
Well, he just doesn't seem like so much of a cocky punk, and that'll help him keep his head in
He
it.
seems like he's a whole different guy.
Yeah.
Okay, we're winning. Right there.
Whoa.
There's two.
So there it is. How's it looking?
It looks so much better than I ever imagined.
Okay, I think you're built.
Oh, thank you
Yep.
so much.
You are ready to put all your solar panels on.
Optional.
Flowers and stuff painted on the side
Yeah,
of the
then it will
van.
look better for sure. Okay, well, thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Have
You
fun
guys-
traveling.
I will. Thank you. I'll send you all the updates.
All right.
Thanks, you guys.
See ya.
Later.
Oh.